Hi, this is Dr. Sigmund with Chiropractic coming to you back with another Facebook Live video. And one of the more common questions that I've been getting lately into the office is when people ask me when the best time is to stretch, especially when it pertains to a workout. And they don't know if they should be doing it, before, for how long, should they be doing it after, and then what particular stretches that they should be doing. And the really easy question is that you should be doing both. You should be stretching before and after a workout. Now, the stretches are a little bit different. So a lot of times you might see some trainers that go after they get done with a session with their clients, and all of a sudden you see them do these long, deep stretches. And you have some other people that like to do the ones where they're kind of jumping around doing some things that look like they're doing plyometrics. But we're not all athletes. We're not all going to be doing these really vigorous stretches, which is also known as dynamic stretching. But I do find that those are the best stretches that you can do before a workout, because you want to make sure that you're mimicking those stretches around your workouts. So you don't see an athlete, as far as like a track athlete, that just goes straight from being cold, out from the gym. They come to the track and all of a sudden they just start running. What they're really doing is they're making sure they're doing good stretches to help warm up their hips, their lower backs, as well as their ankles, and even into their feet, and even into their feet and their knees, to make sure that they're ready for the activity. So you just want to make sure you don't go into it cold. So you want to do those dynamic type stretches, even doing things like hip circles, just some lunges for at least a good 10 minutes before you do a workout. And then after the workout is done, what you want to do is more of what's called static stretching. So static stretching is where you do long holds, anywhere from 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. We even found that a lot of people benefit a lot more from doing stretches after a workout when they hold this stretch for more than about 2 minutes. So doing some stretches for your pec area, your shoulders, for your lower back, your upper back, your hamstrings, your hip flexors. Those are great stretches that you can do, and making sure they are long static holds, so that way you feel the nice deep stretch. And plus it decreases the chance of you having any type of injury from the workout, and reduces the chance of you having a little bit more soreness as well. So make sure you're doing those stretches before and after your workouts. You not only limit the risks of you having any type of injury, but it also makes your performance that much better. And when in doubt, make sure you go and get adjusted before you go and work out. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Facebook Live. We look forward to seeing you guys back here again next week at 1 o'clock, and have a great week. Take care.